I see a scam coming when it comes to the subject of laser online, and I want to make you aware of it. So today what we did was we went into my OR and we demonstrated some devices that you could buy online to potentially treat or cure your fungal nails. The first one is simply an LED light. Dentists use this to cure teeth to make them whiter. Now this may work for teeth, but it doesn't create the temperature increase necessary to treat fungal hyphae. And that's in the literature, and that's what you need. You need to be able to raise the temperature of the nail plate. We've taken a device that you can purchase at a hardware store that measures heat on surfaces, and we've shown that this device conclusively cannot raise the temperature of my medical assistant's nails or skin. So this doesn't pass the test. I would not purchase this. I don't think it's going to provide a timely cure. I think it's hit or miss, so I wouldn't invest in these products. Now, let's talk a little bit about another laser device. So in this case, you take a fully charged battery. As you can see, it lights up. It's very convincing looking, and there's different settings. So we put it on its highest setting, and you can see it creates a very, very convincing light beam, but it's really no different than a laser that you'd use to basically point as a pointer if you were in a lecture. It's not creating any heat, and I think that this sold as a medical nail laser is a scam. This won't do the job. Good laser treatment involves warming the nail plate up for at least 3 minutes to a significant amount. And that can only be affected by a laser that is expensive and treatments that are performed by licensed professionals.